Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Influenster. I know that I've been telling some of you guys to go ahead and sign up. I'm sure some of you still have not done it. So I'm going to just show you guys what they've sent me in the last couple weeks. So let's get into it. For this first box, this is from Kosas. I think that's how you say it. This is a makeup brand, and they always send you little flyers to kind of tell you what each product is. This is their baked setting and smoothing powder. I think at first I thought it was gonna be a loose powder, but it is a like pressed powder. Because this one's a little smaller. Okay. And for my skin tone, this will work well. So Influencer also lets you pick your shade, which is really important because if you have makeup companies sending you colors that were not yours, that would be pretty bad. I would swatch it, but I do have white nails, so I don't want to even play too many games with that because they stain real easy. And then this is the foundation. This is the Revealer Skin Improvement Foundation, and it has SPF in it, which is really important, and it's medium coverage. Oh wow, their makeup actually comes with an expiration date, which is real important because I feel like and that's about a year. Most makeups, I don't think I've seen a date. If there is one, Kosas. The bottle's cute, packaging's good. And I got this in the shade Deep Neutral, and that's $3.80. So what I'm gonna do, I know I said I wasn't gonna mess around with the makeup, but just a little bit. I'm gonna make sure I don't get it on my nails. I just want to show y'all how it blends in a little bit. Of course, my skin is not like prepped or anything like that. I hate when I do this. Okay, I can feel it coming. And this is obviously with no, oh, wow. Okay, y'all, it's looking like skin. It blends in so well. Wow. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna have to say that's 10 out of 10. Now, when it gets on my face, we'll really see. But I just wanted y'all to see if anybody's interested in getting it, what this color looks like. Okay, yeah, I can't wait to try that. And it has SPF in it. I'm gonna make sure I take this on my vacations that I have coming up because it's good to have a little SPF when you're on the island and everything, because it'd be real hot. And then we have the Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. And I got it in the color, I guess 8.8N tone, and that's deep with neutral olive tones. Every time I have nails, it'd be a hard time opening this stuff, but here we go. Okay, so like for me personally, I would not use this as like a brightening concealer for my shade, and it makes it look a little lighter on camera. It's actually a little darker in person, but I would use this for like to conceal like around my eyebrows and stuff, because I like to use a color that's closer to my actual skin tone, especially at the top. So I will review this and let you guys know. This looks to be like the same color as the other products I have. And I'm really excited about trying it out. And actually, when I do a face, I might come on camera and show y'all or something. I'm not really sure. I'll have to see about that. But yeah, that concludes that box. Okay, for the next box, we have IGK from Influenster. Okay, and let's see what they sent us. Okay, so these are 3 products. Hope I don't get any makeup on it. This is a instant repair shampoo, the instant repair conditioner, and they have a serum. Now I want to say that I've already used all 3 of these products because well, I had to test it out, obviously. And I want to say that I think my favorite has to be the shampoo, especially because I have 4C hair. So for it, working for 4C hair, and it still came out looking really good. I have to apply any product that does that, and it felt very moisturized afterwards. I followed up with a conditioner, and I even used the serum. Now for the serum, I didn't feel like it did so much more than other serums, but I feel like it was fine. Like it did what it was supposed to do. But out of 5 stars, I probably give it like 3.5 to 4. But it's not bad. I mean, I would still like repurchase again. And this is good for like breakage and everything. And it says 11 times softer strands. Now, being that I have 4C hair, you know, it's not gonna be like really soft, but I did feel like it felt pretty good. Like it felt soft after washing, not like, it definitely wasn't drying at all. So I would give them that. And it's rare to see like products moisturize 4C hair, so that's pretty good. And then if you look at the ingredients, I didn't see any like sulfate or anything. For me, I would purchase it again. It is gluten-free, vegan, so for me that's always good, and I say I would highly recommend it. Yeah, and it smells, let me smell it again. It smells pretty good. It's nothing so like fruity or anything, but I like the smell, and I would suggest that you guys go ahead and get this if you see this out in the stores. So yeah, y'all need to go ahead and sign up for Influencer. I know I've been saying that, and I'm gonna keep saying it because they send you free products. With all this inflation going around, everybody could use some free products, okay? So this brings me to our last box, which is from, who is this from? I think I might have it the wrong way. I don't even know. Y'all see me struggling with this box. I'm like, alright. Okay, so this is from 7th Generation. This is their disinfecting cleaner with hydrogen peroxide. Now, in this times with COVID, everybody knows we need to keep some disinfecting cleaner, you know, always be spraying and stuff. And this is perfect for somebody like me because I am slightly a germaphobe about certain things. Like I will wipe the doors and things that like are in the common area that people touch all the time, because I have a slight problem. But yeah, so y'all know I've already used this too, but I was glad to see that they were sending cleaning products, especially through COVID. So yeah, I would just say to you guys to go ahead and sign up for an Influencer. They're sending out all types of stuff, but I'm always going to review the things that I get. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And please like, comment, and subscribe.